Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert log to Rec709 in DaVinci Resolve. This process is essential for transforming your flat log footage into vibrant, color-graded material that's ready for final output. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load the project you're working on. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Color. This takes you into DaVinci Resolve's powerful color grading environment where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the top right area of your screen. Here you'll see your node graph, which is where you'll structure your color grade. To add a new node, simply press Alt and S on your keyboard. This creates an additional node in your chain. I recommend adding at least 2 more nodes, so go ahead and press Alt S twice more. Having multiple nodes gives you flexibility to separate your color correction from your creative grading later on. Next, click on Effects at the top of the interface. In the search bar that appears, type Color Space Transform and locate it in the results. Once you find it, drag and drop this effect onto the last node in your chain. This is where the actual log to Rec 709 conversion will take place. With the color space transform now applied, you'll see its settings appear in the node panel. Click the drop-down menu beside Input Color Space. From the list, choose the color space that matches your camera's footage. For this example, let's select Sony S-Gamut 3.Cine. This tells Resolve what color information your footage started with. Right below that, click the drop-down next to Input Gamma and choose Sony S-Log 3. This defines the gamma curve your camera used when recording, ensuring accurate translation of your log footage. Now move to the output settings, click the drop-down beside Output Color Space, and select Rec 709. This is the industry standard color space for most delivery formats, including broadcast and online platforms. Finally, click the drop-down next to Output Gamma and choose Rec 709. This applies the correct gamma curve for standard viewing, bringing your footage to life with proper contrast and color, and that's it. You've successfully converted your log footage to Rec 709 in DaVinci Resolve. Your footage should now look vibrant and ready for further grading or export. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.